Guys, welcome back with the last last Sudoku. Yes, Tectonic with 3 stars in this additional in today's newspaper on a Wednesday, September the 30th, 2020. Yes, it's a 3 stars Tectonic. So let me see if this is a very difficult one than the previous one. Alright, this will be a number 1, 6, 5, and 9. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question, can we see here a 1? The single box, yes, I see here a single box, so this should be a 1. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. The 1 could be here or could be there. We have a 1 there, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. The 1 could be here or could be there. We have a 4 here, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here or there. We have a 4 here, that means these 2 boxes cannot be... No. So those are 4. Yeah, no. Well. Yes, we have a 4 here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, here, or there. That means in this area, this box cannot be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 2. Let me mark them, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have here a triple box, the 1 and the 3 are left. We have a 2 here, that means these 4 boxes surround the 2, cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then the 1 and the 2 are left in this dual box, that means I cannot place a 1 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be there. The 1 and the 2 cannot be here. The 2 cannot be in those 2 boxes. We have a 2 there, so the only place for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 1. We have a 1 here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair should be 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 1 here, that means these 4 boxes surround a 1, cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. This box cannot be a 5, that box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 is not the solution. The 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. The 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 4, so the 4 should be here or there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. The 1 and the 2 are left in this area. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These two boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Definitely a 5. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 2 as a pair. And then the 1 and the 2 dual box. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. That means that these 4 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, the 2 could be here or there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, this box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Triple box, 2 and a 3 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 3, the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or there. That means I have here 2 and there 2. I cannot place a 2 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this is not the solution, the 2. So the 2 goes in this box. Now we have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2. Yes. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 2 and the 4 are left. Let me mark them. 2 and the 4. Let me think. 1 and the 2. 5 cannot be here. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be 4, so it should be a 5. This box cannot be a 2, that box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 1. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so it must be a 5. 4 and the 3 are left. Let me mark them. 4 and the 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this can be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 3. 3, 4, 5. Yes, 3. Alright. This number cannot be a 5. I need a 5 in one of these 3 boxes. This number cannot be a 4. I need a 4 in one of those boxes. So 5, 4, and I need this box cannot be a 3. I need a 3 in one of those 3 boxes. So 3, 4, 5 cannot be, so it must be 1 or 2. We see here 1, so this cannot be a 1. This should be a 2. We have a 2 now. Yeah, alright. So 3 boxes left. And this box cannot be a 4. If I place a 4 here, I need a 4 in one of those 3 boxes. So this should be a 2. This should be a 4. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This should be a 4. That box should be a 4. We need a 5, so this box can be a 5. This should be a 5, or that box should be a 5. This box can be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 3 and a 5. This box cannot be 3 or 5, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 1, so definitely a 4. 2, 3, 5. Alright, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3. This box should be 4 or 5. We have 1, 2, 3, yes. This box. No. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. So 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. Let me mark them, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or there. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. The 3. Yes. Let me think. 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Yes, this box can be a 4. So the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. So this should be 3 or 5. Same like here, 3 or 5, 3 or 5. This is 3 or 4. Alright. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3. So it's, and cannot be a 5. So definitely 1 digit left, the 4. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or there. Well, we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left should be the 3. Now we have a 3 here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here, because we have a 2 there. 1 box left should be the 5. The 2 and the 4, we have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 and the 4, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. We have a 3 now, so this can be a 3 anymore. This should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this can't be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 3. The 4, no, the 3 and the 4 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. 3 stars Tectonic, and I solved it in within 13 minutes, so I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload the new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again, and take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow on Thursday. Bye bye. Have a great day.